It's your boy Crypto Millie back with another one. So I wanted to give a quick analysis of Jasmy Coin. This rally might be one of the biggest hated rallies of all time, besides Terra Luna Classic, right? Because a lot of people, and I guess XRP and a couple other coins, but anyway, a lot of people just do not like Jasmy Coin, right? But I've always said there is a correlation between Ethereum and Jasmy Coin that's entirely stronger than the hate that Jasmy Coin gets. And you can see ETH is sitting at almost 4.6K. So it even went higher. It even went higher than it was on the stream. Jasmy is sitting here right under a $1 billion market cap. It's kind of amazing that Jasmy gets the hate that it gets. And it's a $1 billion market cap coin. But this is what I'm looking at, Chad. I'm looking at a few things on Jasmy. First and foremost, we're looking at the the exposure that Ethereum could give the ERC20 tokens for entering price discovery. That's number one. Second, from a TA perspective, we want to acknowledge that Jasmy is bullish here on the ultimate RSI. I also want to take a look at the stock RSI to see if it's oversold, neutral, or overbought. So let's check it out. I'll make sure to throw my script on this as well, just to make sure we don't have any buy or sell signals. So we did print a sell signal, but this could be invalidated if the blue line crosses back above the orange line. Jasmy is a little bit overextended, so I would watch for a bearish divergence as price going up, but the stock RSI is in a downtrend. What we're looking for Ethereum to hit price discovery and for price discovery to lead Jasmy into a retest of the 50-day moving average in the 618. We want to break through that resistance, turn it into support, and print a confirmation candle above 2 pennies. So you're looking for a confirmation candle above 2 pennies. That's the perfect line because it's the 618 resistance. It's also the 50-day moving average, right? Again, we're going to focus on the fact that the ultimate RSI is bullish, and usually when it's bullish, you see some pretty lucrative moves from altcoins, Bitcoin, whatever type of coin. So that's one thing. Another thing that tells me ERC20 tokens could be on their way to Valhalla is the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. It's now printed 2 confirmation candles and it has exploded above the key moving averages, with the ultimate RSI being bullish. Now, to be fair, the stock RSI may be overbought here, but I think the ultimate RSI from a long-term perspective kind of outweighs the stock RSI. So this is another thing that we're looking at. Final thing that we're looking at is a potential Fed cut or any type of hint from Jay Powell in the Jackson Hole that we will get a Fed cut. This Fed cut could be the beginning of the end for QT, and maybe down the line we get some type of stimulation or QE. So now there's a 94% chance that the Fed does cut. We had the readings come out. One of the readings was below expectations. The core CPI was above expectations. So a little bit of a 50-50 there. But many people think that the Fed is going to cut in September. It's important to note we don't have a meeting in August, but they do have like minutes and they talk at the Jackson for August. So that's my TA for Jasmy. As if Ethereum continues momentum and we get a hint that we will be headed into some type of environment where we get a Fed cut, I believe not just only Jasmy, but a few ERC tokens will start pumping. The reason that I have confidence in Jasmy, because the utility and use case aligns with the hottest utility and niche in crypto, which is artificial intelligence. They also have revenue generation. The team is proven with the success. This is a $1 billion project. And I got into Jasmy at 203. So I got into it a little bit later. I want to see it do well, but I also want to see the people that bought in at the tops also at least reclaim their money or get some type of profits, right? So the fundamentals have not changed for Jasmy. Data still is the new oil. It all comes down to data and compute power. And I believe that Jasmy is embedded right in that intersection. So ETH, send us to Valhalla. Chat, let me know what you think about Jasmy. Are you bearish? Are you bullish? We'd love to know everybody's opinion. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you the next one.